What's going on, guys? As you can tell by the name of the video, this is a completely different style video, and if you do like just equipment or you do like my style of my other videos and you aren't going to be interested in this, don't watch it, click off of it now. This is purely just about really just me blabbing on to something, my mindset. It's really just me kind of blabbing on about things that I really want to talk about, things that I really want to push out to my audience. Now that I kind of have almost 5,000 people watching now, I really want to start pushing out a positive, kind of a positive message, and really maybe connecting with one or two of you on a really deep level. So that being said, this is kind of a longer, like not podcast style, but like maybe a video podcast style where it's just me talking. I'm going to try to keep it to 10 minutes. I already recorded this video. It was 45 minutes long. And I really got off track, but the guys who've been watching for a while, guys and girls, you guys know that I do have ADD and my mind goes in different places and all of a sudden I'll shoot off to something. So I normally have to have some cue cards just so I know what's going on. So I'm gonna start getting into this more. I don't know how the whole running and talking thing is gonna work at the same time. And if you're curious as to why I'm working out, let me explain that. So I want to first start off by telling everybody that working out is really important for me, and these are all my thoughts and my opinions. I'm not cutting down anybody else. If you do something differently, that's totally cool and I'm with it. This is just me and the way that I think and what I do to be the person that I am. So first I'll just quickly explain why I'm on a treadmill right now. I'm on a treadmill right now because it's winter in Canada and it's minus 20 outside right now. Regardless of what the sun looks like, it is minus 20. I like the heat. I have it like 32 degrees in here right now. It's nice and warm. And this is my area. This is where I come to unwind, even though it's really the opposite of that. This is where I come to focus my mind, to discipline myself, and to work even harder than I do outside of this structure. Meaning, work, family, everything. Love, happiness, all those things. I use this area. And what I really think that someone watching this video that is still watching, you must be a little interested in mindset and maybe how you can better your mindset. And for me, it's really about what I just said, focusing, discipline, and finding that something, which is for me, running and working out, finding that one thing that really gets you thinking about your goals. And helps you structure yourself in a way to climb the ladder to achieve those goals successfully and without failure. And for me, again, this is just personal, for me that's working out. For me, working out is something that I can constantly tell myself, I have more energy, go, work harder. You know, the walls I'll show in some B-roll shots, the walls of my gym, I look like the girl off Stranger Things that started hanging the lights in her room. I have spray paint that says "Love the Suffer." I have Sharpie behind me. I got quotes that I just think about and write them down. I'm a very mental person. Not mental crazy, well, some might think that, but I'm in my head a lot, and I say that in my last video. And when I'm in here, I really channel all those thoughts. And I really try to make an understanding of them, as well as understand and then put to real life. Like, I wrote down the other day, I would rather be called a failure than decide to live with regret. Easy to say, easy to go, ha, good quote. But when you actually try to understand the concept of it and you fully understand it, that's what I use this room for. And basically that's what I'm trying to get you to understand, is that for me, being able to do what I do and to focus on my goals, I use working out. And all you need to do is find that one thing for you, whether it be in the bush hunting, archery, billiards, painting, like doing Jenga, anything that gets you in a mindset or puts you in a place in your mind where you can really just think about your thoughts and think about your goals and act on them. And if this sounds really far out for some people, totally cool. 3 years ago, it probably did to me too. But I've, over the last 2.5 years, been really perfecting a mindset that is growing on the person that I used to be and the person that I want to be. And I'm still not there yet. And that's kind of a whole other topic, like as far as long-term goals. And that's what I ran into last time once I started filming this. As you can tell, I kind of jolted off, started talking about goals and wealth and all these money things, and it just sounded like a Ty Lopez video. Not that there's anything wrong with him, but I'm not like that. I'm not gonna try to sell you guys my 10x coin. I just truly want you guys to understand that happiness comes from yourself. Success comes from yourself. You cannot rely on anybody but yourself. And that's just what it comes down to. When you take away money, when you take away health, when you take away family, you take away all those things, what you're left with is yourself, your thoughts, and your health. And that's basically what I prepare myself for. It might sound really extreme and weird, but that's what allows me to get into a mindset when everyone else is going out on Friday night or Saturday night or all weekend. That's what gets me to go, you know what? I don't miss that. I don't need that. This is where I need to be. I need to be in here working. I need to be at my office working. I need to be doing YouTube. I need to be doing so much things. That's what makes me not miss that. And don't think that I hate on that, because I don't. I'd be a massive hypocrite. I used to party all the time. Like, I was a party animal. Some dad trying to tell his kids, I was cool back in the day. No, but I think it's hard to make yourself not sound like a weirdo when you talk about this and try to talk deep like that. But I don't miss doing any of that because I've replaced it with other things. I've replaced it with wanting to obtain higher goals. I just spit. Wanting to obtain more out of life and realizing that you're only allotted this much time in life, and every day it gets closer and closer to the day you're friggin' gone. And like I said in the last video, I do not want to die and regret not doing anything. It's not about what you do on this earth when you're here. It's about what you do when you're gone. And what I mean by that, and that's, maybe you've heard it before, but for me it's legacy. I love the fact that my grandchildren are going to be able to look back on this and be like, hey, my grandpa was a total weirdo. He filmed himself on his treadmill running in short shorts. Guys, I'm at 9 minutes, 40 seconds. Hopefully that little bit of information maybe helped somebody out. If it didn't, I'm still going to continue to work hard, and you should too. Subscribe, like, Instagram. Thanks, guys.